Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today's video I'm going to try out this palette right here. I just bought it. This is Sophie's Makeuprevolution palette, the Extra Spice one. I think it's her second palette that she made. Maybe she made more, I don't know. This is what it looks like, and it has absolutely beautiful colors inside. Look at that. You have really vibrant colors, you have neutral ones, glitters. I absolutely love it. So yeah, I'm just going to remove this one. I'm just going to create a few looks with this one. Oh, there you go. There's my setup. I feel like they've created like groups of colors which you can use to create looks. So you have these four, you can use these four. These is a look, this can be a look, this can be a look, this. You know, they grouped it together so you can make different looks with like the colors that are together. So I absolutely love it. And we're gonna try it out. So yeah. So the first thing I'm gonna do is use some concealer as a base on my eyelids. So to set a concealer, I'm just going to use the HD powder by e.l.f. It's a really, really nice powder. So I think I'm going to use Running Late right here as a transition shade. Alright, so next I'm going to use Chocolate Orange right here. And I'm going to focus this on the outer corner. Okay, so I think I'm going to use Cheesecake, which is this one right here. And taking a smaller brush for this, like Cheesecake, and then really darken up that outer V. Alright, so I'm going to take this brush again to blend everything nicely. Okay, looks pretty good right now. So next I'm going to use this flat brush right here, and I really want to try out Romance. I'm using a flat brush like this. I like it. So I'm going back with that little fluffy brush and Cheesecake to just really blend these two and make a nice transition. Just what I do is always go back and forth with the colors until I'm happy with the results. Nice, I like it. It looks really, really pretty. I might wear this look for like Christmas. Okay, so next I wanted to try out this Renaissance Flick by Makeuprevolution. It's an eyeliner. Just bought it. So I'm not an eyeliner girl. I usually don't wear any, but I wanted to try some more. The packaging is really pretty. Look at this. Oh. Look at this. This is so pretty. I'm really digging Makeuprevolution lately. Okay, how does this? Okay, so it's a felt tip liner. Okay, let's try this. Am I going to ruin my look or not? Let's do this. All right, okay, go. Ooh, it's nice.
Okay, I like it. Okay, it's so pretty, but I just don't. Because now I have to do the second one, and that's usually a big problem. So okay, I'm going to focus.
It ended up being a really thick liner. Yeah, whatever. This is a really good liner. Love it. I'm just not good at applying it. Sweating a little bit. For my face, I'm just going to use one of my favorite foundations out there. It's the e.l.f. oil-free foundation. This thing is the bomb. I love it so much, and I'm so sad that it's coming to an end. So sad. I just like to take a little bit on my brush and then just add onto my face. Alright, so for concealing, I'm using the Bourjois Radiance Reveal Concealer. I'm going to set my face with it. Alright, so the next step is bronzing. To bronze, I'm going to use this e.l.f. bronzing palette. So I'm just going to use all of it, like the shimmery and the bronzy and everything. I'm just going to like, and then use this as a bronzing shade, contour, bronzing, whatever. To finish off the eyes, I'm just going back to the Gorgeous palette, and I'm going to take this little brush right here, and I'm going to use chocolate orange to put on my lower lash line. Gorgeous. Look at this. This eyeliner though is so freaking uneven. I can't. And I'm going to use this mascara right here. This is the Maybelline Very Black Great Lash Mascara. Next, I'm using Sophie's highlighting palette to highlight my face. Does that make a difference? Yes, it does. So this is the Rimmel Kate Moss lipstick in 08. These are amazing, by the way. If you haven't tried them, where have you been? Because these are really good. So you need to try them out. So I've got the eyebrows. I'm just going to use this Rimmel London Alright, so that's it guys. That's the look I created using Soph X Makeup palette. I absolutely love it. It has gorgeous colors and the pigmentation is just right. I will be making a few more videos using other colors. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you like to see more of my videos. So yeah, thanks a lot. Have a nice day and I'll see you next time. Bye!